Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by backing up your mods and tray folders so you can revert if needed. Next, make sure the game is fully updated and note the version. Mismatched patch levels cause failures. Then open Options and enable both script mods and custom content, and restart the game. This loads mods correctly. Once done, remove any mods in subfolders and ensure all packages and script files are directly in the mods folder so the game can detect them immediately. You now identify the culprit by removing all mods and adding them back in small groups. This isolates which mod breaks the game. While reintroducing, read each mod's compatibility notes and install any required dependencies so scripts run as intended. Also clear the game cache and mods cache and delete local thumb cache. Package to avoid stale data. Make sure you don't have duplicates or both package and TS4 script versions of the same mod, because that creates. You finish by updating, replacing, or removing any broken or abandoned mods. Choose actively maintained versions or community forks to reduce future problems. After each change, load a clean save to test stability and confirm the issue is resolved before adding more content. If problems persist, revert to your backed up mods and tray, then reintroduce mods one at a time. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.